going to understand the same thing in the program that is discontinued. So printf the value of L. So L equals to percentage LD. LD refers to long digit. So generally LD is the format specifier for displaying or retrieving the data from long integer. So percentage LD comma L. That means whatever value in L that is going to be displayed here. Remaining as it is going to be displayed in the output. Okay, next thing is next we are going to display the float value. So we are using printf F for formatter. Okay, the value of F equals to percentage F for fraction. Okay, percentage F is the format specifier for float. So double quotation. Okay, now comma. So where the value is in F. So the variable F is consisting of some memory that is going to be displayed here. You must write semicolon at last. Similarly, we are going to display next value percentage. The value of what? D, double value. D equals to percentage small LF. Sorry, LF. LF means long fraction. So this is the format specifier for double, comma, what? LD is long double here. Sorry, double. We are going to display double. So the value in the D is going to be displayed here. Next, printf the value of which LD, I need LD is the variable name, equals to percentage capital LF. Capital LF is the format specifier for long double, comma, where is that? In which variable? LD, semicolon. Okay, now at last we are going to display the character. Now I am going to rub my the previous thing here. I am going to rubbing this entire thing. Okay. I am going to continue here. So next is the value we are going to display under printf now. Print f the value of last variable is ch. So ch equals to percentage C. Percentage C refers to character, comma, where is that? In ch. In which variable? In ch variable. The value in the ch is going to be displayed here. Okay, finally you are going to use get ch. I already tell what is the use of get ch. Okay, and close the main bracket. Now, what is the output for this particular program is first the value of s is, so directly it is going to value of s equals to percentage d. That means whatever value in the s that is going to be displayed here. Whatever value is this 10. So in the output, the first statement, the value of s equals to, what is the value is there? 10, because 10 is there in s, that is going to be displayed in this particular area. Okay, similarly, but next time the program is going to be, the output is going to be continue from here. So I need to display in the next line. So you must go and provide /n in the every line. Sorry, I am mistaken for the /n, because I need to display every time /n must be under the double quotation. Okay, must be under the double quotation. Next time the next statement is going to be displayed in the next line. /n refers to new line. /n is an escape sequence. The value of which I equals to whatever there in the memory 2348. The value of f L equals to 924698. So because the value in the LD, percentage LD will display, no? So that is going to be displayed. Next, the value of what? F equals to 22.48. Some other zeros are going to be displayed here like this, according to up to which how many decimal numbers it is going to be displayed here. Next, the value of what is that? Double D equals to the value of D equals to percentage LF. Where is it? In D. What is the value here? 368.72940 something will be displayed here. Next, the value of what? LD, long digit. LD equals to what is the value there in the memory? So memory, this particular value 12345.6923 like this. Okay. So next, the value of last statement, the value of CH equals to the character is going to be displayed as, what is the character we store? A is going to be displayed here. Okay, A is going to be displayed here. Okay, that is the thing here. So this is the output for this particular program. This particular program.